Hi, it's Heather Smith and welcome to the first real Australian business day back for 2024. And I wanted to share what I'd done over the break, which was I had this shelving put into my office. This is going into my 20th year of working from home. I moved into the dedicated office space, I think last year, and I've had these amazing Billy bookcases put in, which have been really useful. And fortunately, I live with lots of engineers, so they built them for me. I just had to choose them and get them delivered. They were very happy about setting them up. So let me show you them. I'm not very much of an interior designer, but I just tried to showcase some of the things that happen in the glorious account tech world. I've got my row of robots. Robots are really expensive to buy. I've got my, down here, my plant shelf and my cup from the Accounting and Business Expo that Samuel gave me, and another cup up here. Let's see if I can spin it around. So that was what employment here I did at the Accounting and Business Expo in Singapore. That was kind of cool. Got my fancy schmancy glasses from Amy at Clarity Street. And then down on this shelf here, I've got various trinkets, but they're all storing things. And I've even got my, oh look, I've got to put this on. This will be my, I always try and have an atomizer going in the background when I'm talking with people. Hopefully it calms the room. And hopefully it gives them something to focus on while the session's happening if they need to sort of keep with me, but then sort of be calm. And so I like to do that. Lots of books. Put the heavy stuff at the bottom. Put the heavy stuff at the bottom so the shelves don't fall on you. And you can see right down there I've got all the books that I've written right at the bottom there. And then over on this shelf, so I have these. My daughter went to Nepal and she bought me those. They're pretty, aren't they? And you can see up there, I have lots of bottles. Clearly I have too many bottles. Then some stuffed animals. Always an interesting piece of swag, a stuffed animal. But I kind of like them. Yeah. Then I've got my latest article from Acuity magazine here. Featured here. I won't probably always do that. But never really know how to showcase the magazines I've written for, but I do like to have them there. And vase from my mother and a vase from my son. How's that nice? And this is my this is kind of my mantra for the year: storyteller. The pack of letters didn't have enough R's, so I had to do one. I should turn. Oh, I just lost story. I just lost the S there, putting that up, but I won't worry about that there. There. Oh no, it doesn't work. Anyhow, then lots more books down there as you go down, and lots of plants. So, and I can't even see the letter. Oh, there it's the letter S on the floor. And the other thing that I did was, I was hoping to get like a bench seat there, but I actually had this chair sitting out on the deck. So I brought it in here just temporary, but it's actually been really effective. Chester loves sitting there, but also when people visit me, they like sitting there and talking to me. So unexpectedly has been quite nice. Do plan to change the curtains there, but you know, really happy with how it's kind of come out. Being able to take all of my business stuff that's kind of pitter-pattered all over the house and in shelves and in cupboards and on bookshelves, etc. Bring all the business books into here, and hopefully we'll read them and then give them away. I'm not a person who likes to collect. I'm saying I'm not a person who likes to collect things, but I've got all these collections here. But I'm not a person who likes to collect books. I like to read them and pass them on. And I actually have a street library, which is my own street library on the road. So maybe I'll put them in the street library. But yeah, so hopefully it will encourage me to read them and move them on. 2024, really happy to start. Managed to get through all the backlog of my admin and almost at inbox zero. So really starting on a good foundation for the year. So hopefully you liked looking around my shelves. I'm sure that you might have some feedback or suggestions of ways I can improve them. I've clearly got too much stuff, don't I? Cheers. Hope you happy new year to you, and wish you health and happiness for the year, and hopefully it will be all that you want it to be.